The Acer ConceptD Ezel is this laptop right here. It's designed for multimedia content creators. And the cool thing about it is it's not just a laptop. You can actually move the screen, which is attached with magnets, and you can fold it flat to work as an easel on your desk. The interesting thing about the screen is that the touchscreen uses what's called electromagnetic resonance. It's EMR, and it means that the digital stylus actually is not powered. It derives all of its power from the display. So that means you don't have to have batteries in the stylus, but it also means that creating images or doing rough sketches on the screen is much more comfortable than it would be on a touchscreen that has a glossy finish like you'd expect from most laptops. The stylus is very small because it fits into the laptop. It's a garaged pen. And that means that there's no battery, but it also means that it's very awkward to hold in your hand and to write. And as you can see, I wasn't able to write very well, but drawing is very easy. Artists might not need a lot of processing power for creating rough sketches, but let's say you're using this to edit videos. In that case, Acer is actually offering a Pro version, which comes with insanely powerful insights. It's got NVIDIA graphics, and it even has an optional Intel Xeon processor for getting the most out of the laptop. Now, the ConceptD Ezel is going on sale this summer in the US. Expect it to be very pricey, close to $3,000, which means that it's not for everyone. If you are a digital artist, photographer, videographer, you sketch with a Wacom tablet maybe in your studio already, this is a great option. Everyone else, though, it's overkill.